Everyone swears by Miro. It's a whiteboard for your brain. You'll collaborate better. You'll never need another sticky note again. But the moment I opened it, I had questions. Like, is this a productivity dream or a digital fever dream in pastel? Hey, it's Caitlin and welcome back to GBRLIFE Reviews, where I test the tools so you don't waste your time. And today I'm breaking down Miro, the digital whiteboard with unlimited space, potential, or is it just unlimited chances to spiral? So let's get straight into Miro, but right after my quick intro while you like and subscribe. Let's get into it.
Welcome to GBRLIFE. We'll talk big love, everything in the mix. So bring your board, your bite, your home now, babe. This is GBRLIFE. Ooh, this is GBRLIFE.
Miro is powerful, flexible, beautifully built for creative collaboration. But if you're solo, get easily overwhelmed, or you just want structure, this might feel like trying to build IKEA furniture blindfolded on a trampoline. So here's what I liked, because it's not all bad. You can literally map out anything from messy brainstorms to polished client pitches. The infinite canvas means that you never run out of room. No, seriously, you never run out of room. And then templates upon templates upon templates. There's project planning, flowcharts, retrospectives, even lesson plans. And then there's real-time collab. It's smooth and you feel like managing a team isn't so complicated anymore. Also plays nice with a few other tools out there like Notion or Slack, Zoom, Google, basically all the cool kids, but it's not perfect. So let's talk about what I didn't like the level of distraction. It's like this. If I went to go and write a to-do list, all of a sudden now I'm designing a vision board. And I didn't mean to do a vision board because I was supposed to do the to-do list, although the vision board was on the to-do list. But it's a vision board to-do list? I don't know. Also, it's a steeper learning curve. When you first look at it, you think, this isn't so complicated. And then you start clicking and you go, oh my God, that's a lot of stuff. Plus, the mobile app? No, thank you. When it comes to stuff like this already on the computer being complicated and you're on your phone and you have all of that access to all of those different things, but then you only have your little fingers and your thumbs and then frames and stickers, it's a lot and it's just overly annoying. But the free plan, right? There's that. That's a plus until it stops working because you have so much stuff and you'll hit that board limit a lot faster than you might think. Even if you just add a few people. The point is, it gets tight really quick when it comes to those plans. Speaking of plans, let's talk price. So you have 3 plans. Okay, 4 if you include enterprise. But let's start with that free plan. For the free plan, you have up to 3 boards, core features, real-time collaboration, and that's it. It doesn't feel extremely limited until you hit that limit. Literally, it's all of a sudden like, nope, everything is now paid for. But when you want to talk about paying, you've got the starter plan, and that's $8 a month per user. And here you get unlimited mostly everything, really just a few items on the business plan, like the planner or some advanced items. So this is a great option for most of you out there, unless you have a team. Then you'll want to go for the business plan, and that one is $16 a month per user. And yes, that adds up really fast if you've got a team. And here you get the extra features that you would need for a team, the single sign-on or synced copies. But I'll be honest, if you're solo or just testing waters, free's fine. But if you're building out team systems or full-on content maps, you'll probably need to upgrade. Which brings us to the main question, is Miro worth it? If you're a visual thinker juggling a bunch of projects, yeah, I would say yes. Because Miro can replace sticky notes and back and forth emails, even half of your Zoom calls, because again, you're all looking at it right there. But if you're liking clean, linear planning, or you just want to organize your content calendar solo without all the bells and whistles, I'll be honest, you might actually vibe more with Trello or Milanote, my favorite, which I reviewed last week, and it is way simpler because it's about being creative. That does bring us to the GBRLIFE rating. Miro is getting the GBRLIFE rating a 4 out of 5. because it's sleek, it's smart, and it's full of potential. And the price isn't horrible. But it is not for everyone. This is your analytical go-to. Milanote is your creative go-to. In other words, if you've got the brain power for it, Miro can be your superpower. But if you're prone to digital chaos, you might just abandon it mid-board. A quiet little, never mind. So, are you Team Miro? Alrighty, that's it for this week's review. But if you want more like this, don't forget to check out the GBR Life Reviews Unfiltered Opinions playlist. Yes, there's more just like this. And while you're at it, like and subscribe to GBR Life so you never miss another review. And if you're interested in all of this, check out my review from last week of Milanote, literally, as I just mentioned, basically seconds ago. And you can head there by just clicking on the video somewhere on this screen. Of course, it's edited, right? So I'm going to put it somewhere over here. Go to it. Either way, with all of my content on gbrlife.com and my fabulous Mama Koala clothing line, you don't have to be without GBR Life in your life. I'll see you next week. Bye.